Begin by navigating to Resolution. Next, click Estimates in the navigation bar on the left. Users will have cards displayed for any existing estimates. To create a new estimate, click the Create Estimate button at the end of your estimate list or on the top right of your screen. This will bring you to the New Estimate screen where you can begin entering your information. Here you will see 5 tabs: Information, Sharing, Resources, Estimate, and Report. Start on the Information tab by entering an estimate title, description, and general assumptions, and continue to fill out the key areas outlined. If you have questions about your project type, overhead key, program office, ORNL performing division, or default labor unit, please contact your organization's financial officer. Once you have entered your initial estimate information, you can move on to Sharing. This is where you will grant access to the people who you are working with. On the Sharing tab, you can assign administrators, collaborators, and viewers easily by clicking the Add button, giving each person you are working with the appropriate level of access. Next up is the Resources tab. The Resources tab is where you identify resources you will use when you create your estimate. It is broken into 5 sections: labor, subcontracts, materials, other direct costs, and internal services. Under the Labor subtab, there are 3 categories. They are ORNL personnel, wage pool and organizational burden, and total personnel cost. Here you can add the people involved with your project. Current rates will be displayed for reference. Note, however, that when resources are added to your estimate, the application will take into account planned rates for future years accordingly. Under the Subcontract subtab, there are 5 categories, including task-based, government transfers other labs, government transfers non-labs, university students, and staff support. Here you can identify the types of subcontracts that will be used for your estimate. If your estimate includes materials, select the Materials resource to add it to your list of resources. These can be customized as needed for resources that will be used for multiple tasks, etc. Under the Other Direct Costs subtab, you can add travel or any other miscellaneous direct costs to your resource pool for use when creating your estimate. Other direct costs might include things such as conference expenses, business meals, memberships, etc. Under the Internal Services subtab, there are 4 categories: Other Services, Waste Services, Space, User-Defined, and Utilities, User-Defined. Here you can add that information and it will auto-populate your estimate with the cost. Next up is the Estimate tab, where you can define project activities and dates with associated categories and costs. Please see the next video, How to Create an Estimate Step 2, for more information on how to add activities, assign resources, and produce reports. If you need more information on Project Estimator, or if you wish to provide feedback, please email resolution@ornl.gov.